Changes to these settings will be applied to existing or new insertion orders and line items. So let's assume there is a partner I created. I created 3 advertisers. Under each advertiser we have campaigns. Campaigns are created under each advertiser. Let's assume I have given 3 channels. I excluded 3 channels and YouTube placements of 200 items at advertiser level. Whenever a new insertion order is created, these 3 channels will already get excluded. When a display line item is created, so these 3 channels shows as exclusion. In the exclusion list, these 3 channels are available. So for YouTube placements, exclusion list is available only for the YouTube lines. So what we can do is, let's add 2 additional channels and 1000 YouTube URLs at advertiser level. Once I do that, changes to these settings will be applied to existing. So whatever we created earlier is existing one. So when I change from 3 to 5 and when I change this number from 1000 to some extra numbers, whenever something is added, the existing will also get impacted. Previously it was 3 channels and 2000. Now it is 5 channels and 3000 for existing one. That means whatever the changes you made at advertiser level, even below level existing one and new one also gets impacted. So new one will get inherited and existing one will impacted by the above level changes. So channel URLs, you can see it's locked for campaigns, insertion order, line items. So this restriction is applied at advertiser level. So let's assume there are 3 types of channels created and 215 items are given at the YouTube partner and URLs, and this restriction is given. Now when I create a new display line item, these 3 channels get locked and is shown here. Advertiser level restriction applied at the line items. So this is the display line item. So these 3 channels, exclusion list of these excluded channels will appear when you create a display line item. Likewise, you blacklisted 215 items at advertiser level. So when you create placements, so automatically those 215 get excluded. So advertiser level restriction applied at YouTube ad groups. So when you create ad groups, automatically these YouTube placements will also get excluded. So this ad group level targeting is from the YouTube line item and this is from the display line item. YouTube line items exclusion is applied only for YouTube. So I have shown you the screenshot here. Ad group level targeting only related to the placements, and channels applied only for non-YouTube